Hello, this is CrisV and you're watching my part 2 regarding no makeup tutorial, and I am presenting to you my promise last time for those who voted regarding this topic, which won. What I have here is a face chart. Pardon me, this is my first time to do this, and I tried my best to copy the shapes and size of the person's face I am dedicating this to, and that Miss Fairim Tagal. So Miss Fairim or Mrs. Tagal has a rounded heart shape face shape, and also small eyes and a pouty beautiful lips. The first thing that I wanted to suggest, which I will also do for those who will request this, so this is a personalized face chart for the natural or no makeup look I did just a while ago. This brow shape is based on her brow, at least the beginning of it, but the thickness can be achieved by drawing hair stroke using pomade, black or at least dark brown color. And the focus of this makeup peg is her lips. This is what I've given emphasis, so that's why I used red lipstick. Regarding highlight and contour, I suggest to highlight the center of her nose line up to the forehead, front forehead. And also I've noted that the under eye highlight, which is inverted triangle shape, as you can see, that will elongate the face shape to create balance. And let's move on to the proper contour and bronzing. I suggest use a warm bronzer on your jaw upward to your temple. I also preferred a cheek tint or blush on in an upward stroke alongside or on top of your bronzer. And I also suggest coral color or orangey color as a blush on. And again, the highlight should be on at the middle of your nose line up to the center of your forehead. The bronzer can be spread up to your temple, connected to your contour alongside of your forehead to help minimize the width on the upper part. And since your jawline is already defined, you can skip contouring it. Just do the bronzing, and the contour should be, I think, below your chin, just a bit, to minimize the pointedness of the chin. Lastly, for your lips colors, though I exaggerated the color here for viewing purposes, but I suggest coral beige and plump red blended. The plump red should be the shadow inside and on the other part of your lip, and as a lip liner, which is optional if you want to use it. But the plump red should be the shadow, and the coral beige is the part where you can see the highlight or the light. You can also add lip gloss at the lower center and on the upper lip to emphasize the lips as our focal point. That's it for Miss Fairim. So if you want this, you can request it on my Facebook page. Let's connect. And I also ask for your support by clicking the like button and subscribing on my channel for more of this kind of videos, so that you will primarily receive a notification every time more educational video regarding makeup and other entertaining upcoming topics. So if you want to participate, you can comment or suggest some topic regarding this. If you have question, please comment, or you can go to my Facebook page. I have on my link at the description of this video. That's all. Till next time.